are live in Facebook. I'm here again for your daily dose of knowledge. And I hopefully you are all great. Me, I'm okay. But I thought I'm not gonna have a chance to broadcast today because of the a little bit of earthquake today. We have some little bit earthquake, and hopefully this is not gonna be another season of that. Hopefully they're not gonna add another season in our California weathers and or weathers here that having a earthquake season because it's really getting daily now, not daily, but often now that we're having a earthquake. So today we're gonna talk about captive insurance company. So what is captive insurance company? What is this all about? How the business owners gonna benefit on this one? How can they reduce the taxes? How can you reduce the cost? Well, we're just gonna discuss a little bit about it, and hopefully, you guys are listening very carefully so that you can benefit on it. Let's see what's going on.
Minute training video on captive insurance companies. A lot of people assume that captive insurance companies refer to captive agencies or have something to do with captive agencies. Actually, it has nothing at all to do with a captive agency. A captive insurance company basically offers business owners a way to insure their risks, right? So as a business owner, you in essence have three options to insure your risk. You can get traditional insurance, which would be go out into the marketplace and purchase insurance from a insurance company. You could self-insure your risks. So save up enough money in your savings account, and you think if you get a lawsuit or something like that, then you will just pay for that out of pocket. Or a third alternative, which isn't as well known, is considering a captive insurance company. A captive insurance company basically provides coverage and or deductible limits that are either unavailable or are too expensive in the marketplace. So I'll give you an example in a couple minutes here. But in terms of who actually would consider a captive insurance company, basically what we're looking at is businesses with gross revenue of 3.5 million or more. And really, it can be any type of business. It doesn't necessarily need to be within a specific niche. So any company that has above 3.5 million of gross revenue. When do we want to consider a captive? Really, a captive should be considered anytime the business's gross revenue qualifies and the owner or owners of the company are looking for three primary things. First, and the most important, is to reduce their insurance costs. Second would be to reduce their risks. And third, I would say kind of an ancillary benefit, is reducing their taxes as well. So why would you want to consider a captive? It's a very good way to lower insurance costs, enhance claims management, protect ancillary risks that are oftentimes not covered by other policies, and as I touched on a second ago, help mitigate some taxes. How do we do that? Well, I'm going to walk through an example of a captive in a minute here, but basically it's a tax rate arbitrage play for the most part. We are taking income that otherwise would have been taxed at currently a top rate of 39.6%, and we are converting that into a dividend rate of 20%. Again, I'll walk through an example in a second here of how the internal mechanics of a captive would work. Let me give you an example of a captive insurance company. We worked with a client out of California who was a home developer. Their insurance policies did not cover any damage due to earthquakes. Well, as most people know, there are a number of earthquake fault lines within California. So that really is a major concern because earthquakes, when you're a home developer, do cause a significant amount of damage. So they're paying all this money without realizing that any damage caused by an earthquake actually would not be covered by their insurance policy. So we set up a captive insurance policy and we insured a number of risks, one of which was, of course, any damage that was caused by an earthquake. Not only were we able to insure that risk that they were not previously insured by the third-party insurance policy, but we were also able to do it at a much lower rate. Why? Because the average insurance company is spending 40% of the client's premium dollars on internal overhead and marketing. So right away, we can knock nearly 40% off of the cost of an insurance policy.
Here we go. And you can cost of insurance and to lower the cost of your company. Not only the cost, but of course, some of them are taxes deduction planning too. So it's a lot of things that you can do on this kind of strategy that is going to be helpful for you. We have one more clients, basically the organization of truckers, independent truckers, and they come together so that they can share each other experience. You know, how can they make it their business grow? How can they organization more stronger? So what they did is they contact us and then they build the captive insurance um, company inside that organization. Now, their benefits the members. So now that the members are more have peaceful mind, so that if something happened that is not covered by regular insurance or business insurance, they can uh, depend on this membership insurance that customized to the need of their organization. See, there's a lot of things that we can do if you are accountant. Accountant for us is CPAs, EAs, bookkeeper, something that who take cares of your money in the businesses. Sometimes who take cares of taking care of the IRS. You know, that's one of accountant and attorneys too. You know, if you're um, law office attorney, yeah, that we can use that this too so that you can help your business owner client. And one thing more I just want to make sure before I forget is we're live in YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and we are our um, our website is curiousfinance.co, and hopefully you are all well, and you guys see the benefits of working with us. Again, we are collaboration of people that here for you to help your business, to help your client, business owner, so that they can reduce not only their taxes but their costs. So if you have any question and one this strategy resonate to you, contact us. Just let make sure that you are all know that our website or then contact us by the platforms that you seen in below. Again, this is Ronald Flores. Hopefully you enjoy another daily dose of knowledge for you. Have a nice day.